How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open the Gmail app on your device, then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. If you have not selected the appropriate account, you can simply tap on the account from here and then tap on that account. Then tap on Manage Your Google Account option. From here, swipe and tap on Security. Then scroll down and find the option of Manage All Devices. Now from here, you can find all the devices in which your Gmail account is logged into. You can tap on any of these sessions. Now, if you want to log out from that device, simply tap on the sign out option. Then tap on sign out for confirmation. And when you do that, you will successfully be logged out from another device. And this is how you can remove your Gmail or Google account from another device. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.